All right, all right, all right. Welcome to another edition of Sabbath Lounge. And Jake and I did this podcast about week one of the Torah portion. We're going to start in Genesis 1 and go through 6, 8. It's pretty amazing to try to go through 6 chapters in one sitting of this much context, but it's a pretty amazing teaching. We're going to take a look, of course, at creation, Adam and Eve, Cain and Abel, and even start looking at how it all went wrong, the Nephilim, and the deluge that's about to begin. So this first few chapters of Genesis is so critical, such a amazing foundation. And check us out online. Check us out at sabbathlounge.com for more information and on YouTube.